Chapter 13 What's New in the Tech World? Microsoft Office 365. Office 365 is a cloud-based subscription service offered by Microsoft accessible on the Internet. Office 365 Education enables students and teachers to access a set of free applications. All applications like Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access are present in the set. Internet of Things. Internet of Things IoT is a system that allows everyday devices like tube light, computer or refrigerator to communicate with each other via the Internet without any human intervention. These devices have built-in sensors to collect data and share it across the Internet of Things platform. IoT is the future of technology that will make our lives more efficient. A few examples of Internet of Things already in use are smart home devices, Google Home, Alexa, smart cities, Singapore, smart appliances, smart refrigerator, connected car, Tesla electric car. Blogging. A web blog, or short for blog, is a website on which stories or journals are posted regularly. Blogs can be of various types like technology blogs, food blogs, etc. WordPress is one of the popular platforms used for blogging. WordPress is a simple application that is available free of cost. It's one of the most popular ways to create your own blog. WordPress is used by over 29% of the blogs on the Internet. WordPress is used both by individuals and businesses. You can choose from WordPress's different themes and plugins to enhance your blog. You can also create the following websites using WordPress: business website, school website, e-commerce website, personal website. To open WordPress, go to www.wordpress.org. 3D printer. We all know about printing. 3D printer is the latest trend in technology. So, let's find out what is the 3D part in 3D printing. 3D is short for three-dimensional. When you print a page using a printer, there are only two dimensions, i.e. front and back. 3D printer adds a third dimension, that is volume, which enables users to print 3D objects. It is used by businesses and students. You can print a cricket bat or a pencil box using a 3D printer. Google Maps. Google Maps is an online map service by Google. It offers satellite imagery, street maps, real-time traffic conditions, and route planning for traveling by foot, car, bicycle, or public transport. You require internet connection and GPS to use Google Maps on either your smartphone or computer. To open Google Maps, go to maps.google.com.